always think about my son.
Hello, I am Bee, a two-letter word which shows togetherness. Hello, I am Ego. Ego is the most dangerous three-letter word that breaks relations.
Hello friends, I am love, a beautiful four-letter word which is essential for every relationship. Hello friends, I am Smile. I am a five-letter word that makes you look beautiful. So smile please. Hello friends, I am Mover, a most dangerous six-letter word. Always ignore it, never believe it. Hello friends, I am Success, a seven-letter word that makes you famous all around the world. Hello friends, I am Jealousy, the most negative eight-letter word which create problem in human life. I am Noel. I am the nine-letter of full of wisdom and intelligence. Hello friends, I am Confidence, the most powerful 10-letter word which improves your personality. Now we learn that which word we should adapt in our life and which word we should reject. Now let me ask you,